46 miners have been buried underground in a town in Illinois since 1883, and nobody has ever gone back down to retrieve them. Another town used to be the state capital, and now it sits on the wrong side of the Mississippi River with just 21 people left. Illinois holds some of the creepiest ghost towns in the entire country, and most people have never heard of a single one. Today we're covering 8 of the worst, and they get darker as we go. Number 1. Cahokia Mounds. The oldest entry on this list sits about 8 miles east of St. Louis, in Collinsville, where a quiet park now covers 2,200 acres of grass-covered hills. Around 1050 AD, somewhere between 10,000 and 20,000 people lived here, which made Cahokia bigger than London at the same time. No one knows what its residents called the place, or even what language they spoke. It left behind no written record. Monk's Mound rises 100 feet above the floodplain, the largest prehistoric earthen structure anywhere in the Americas. A 410-foot wooden post circle called Woodhenge lines up with the solstices nearby, and a stockade wall 20 feet high went up and came down 3 times, its construction cutting straight through residential areas in what archaeologists believe was a panicked rush. None of that compares to what Melvin Fowler found when he excavated Mound 72 in 1967. Inside were 272 bodies, and roughly 62% of them turned out to be sacrificial victims. One mass grave contained more than 50 young women between the ages of 15 and 25, all strangled. Another pit held 39 men clubbed to death, and some of them had been buried alive, their fingers frozen in a digging position, still clawing at the earth above them. At the center of it all lay a man on a bed of over 20,000 shell beads arranged in the shape of a falcon. By about 1400 AD, the entire city stood empty, and the reason remains unknown.